Hey, good morning, guys. Hope everyone's doing well. Guys, let's do a refresher. You guys want to know how we're winning? What are we at now? 59 wins, 0 losses, have the highest scalping record ever on YouTube that we can find. Currently sitting at 236 profit called out from all of our scalping trades. This is 2,360% higher than the S&P 500. And I just felt like this morning I should give everybody a tutorial again to remind you guys, and those of you who are new, like how in the world are we scalping this market and making so many wins? Some of you guys are like, whoa, if I could just like wake up during the week, have fun looking for trade setups, knowing what to look for, and not losing any trades potentially ever again, would that be exciting? Like when I first found this, guys, I was so jacked and so excited when I found this. And I shared this with the team and we implemented it. And we have literally helped thousands of traders make hundreds of thousands of dollars with this strategy. So here's what I do. I look for 3 things. And it's so simple. And I do this every single morning. What I do is I load the top and bottom finder. It's an indicator. It's 4 years in the making. It is insane. It does not use oscillators. It is a mathematical algorithmic equation that shows you guys to honestly the most accurate degree if a market is about to move down or up to an exact candle. Okay, I'll show you guys this on Ethereum and I'll blow you guys away in a second. So first thing I do is I look to see, does our algorithm to call bottoms and tops have a buy signal on it? And that's the first thing I look at. And I said, yes, okay, perfect, got it. Secondly, I look at price versus well money flow. And normally, if you guys turn this on, you can see price in pink, but I personally just, maybe a personal preference, I just like to look at well money flow. Where's money heading? If I see that wells have been selling into the market, I know that they're going to start buying. And what I do is I do a quick little study. I look at where the current value is. I look in the past and I say, all right, has the market moved up anywhere from this area or lower in the past? And I can say, yes, right here we saw the low and we moved back up. Right over here we saw a low, we moved very, very fast back up. And over here we saw a low, we moved back up. So interesting. This indicator down here is actually showing us not just where well money's going, but it's showing us well behavior. So honestly, guys, we've used this for 2+ years now. I know that when wells are selling, they're going to eventually start buying. And that's a super fun thing to know because before this, we were kind of stuck in the dark. We're like, what are wells actually doing? So we actually coded an indicator that looks at the high transaction volumes on the exchange that you load this on and the ticker, and we can see that now. So it's low. Thirdly, we look for what's called trades in favor. And I was searching around forever. There's no other indicator that's ever been coded like this on TradingView because we were looking for this. We couldn't find a single thing. And we're like, whatever. We put thousands of dollars into coding this. And basically we said, we want something that's going to show us a strong confidence signal of what is the exact percentage likelihood that we're going to get a pump or we're going to get a dump. So this, every single time this line changes, actually, you want to see something cool? Load it up on like the 5-second time frame or the 1-second time frame, and you guys will see this thing shift every single second to an exact percentage increase of a pump or decrease, the chance of a market declining with a chance of a dump. And then we coded in what's called long trade zone. So if you guys see, let me put this really simple. If you see this white line anywhere in the long trade zone, there is an 80% chance or higher that market is looking to turn around. And this thing is crazy accurate. If you guys look at this over here, you guys can see, obviously we got the pump of the market. We saw it dip down here. We could have, this is probably very close to 80. We could have seen a little bit more of a move down, but it basically moved up for the next 4 days after that. We see this down here calling the bottom before the move up. We see this down here literally calling the bottom. It could have called it over here, guys, but it called it right there. Then over here, an incredible entry for dollar cost averaging, or even if just, having the market go back up. And literally every single stall in Bitcoin had the move back down here at almost an 80% chance. And if you didn't get it down here, you got a buy signal. Like, guys, the amount of confidence you're going to literally feel and probably see in your trading accounts once you put these on your charts, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, where have these been my whole life? Well, that's why we coded them. I felt the same thing you did. And then I put these on our charts and I started calling trades out, and we have the highest win record on all of YouTube. Like, the stuff actually works. All right. So that's what you guys are looking for. You're looking for 3 things. You're looking for the buy signal, you're looking for well money flow to be low, and you're looking for long trade zone. Strong buy. We're looking for well money flow low, and we're looking for the long trade zone 80% or plus. You can look for pretty much any variation you want, but I recommend at least looking for the buy signal and looking for your trades in favor down at 80% or more. So those are 3 things: buy signal, well money flow low, trades in favor low. That's the entry. Now, if you guys want to take this a step further, which is really fun, and this is really what's separating ourselves apart from probably all their YouTubers right now, is that we use insanely good risk management. So let's say, for example, we come out over here, and let's say there was the buy signal right here, which obviously there isn't, and you guys had like $1,000 account. We take this $1,000 account, we take $333 and we place it as a market order. We then take $333, 33%, we place it at buy limit 1. We then take $333 and place it at buy limit 2. Do you guys see what we're doing here? We are taking our investment, we are spreading it out, and we are giving ourselves what's called risk management. If the market goes down and hits our first buy limit, our break-even entry goes down a lot. I'm telling you guys, a lot, all right? This is the only strategy that you can trade that as the market goes against you, you actually make more money because you're investing more money as the market's going down, but every buy limit you hit, which we've hardly ever hit buy limit 2, when the market goes back up, you're making 2 to 3 times more profit when you guys hit your buy limits. This is why when our traders, we open up a trade, a lot of people, like what we do. A lot of people get our membership. A lot of people follow us because they know the moment we call a trade out, it's either going to be a very fast win within the next probably 3 to 4 days. Sometimes it's within hours, and you're going to make 4%. You're going to do that over and over and over and over, and that's compound interest. Or something almost even more exciting happens is that the market goes down, hits your first buy limit, you get more money in the trade, and you actually make more money as it goes back up. And if the market does crash, everybody wants to be getting the lowest market values right now because we have the halving event coming up. So we automatically get dollar cost average entries at the craziest lowest prices. I'm telling you guys, this strategy is an absolute no-brainer right now, and it will make you guys, oh, I gotta be careful how I say this. I know I'm getting in trouble with YouTube. I was gonna say it's gonna make you guys a lot of money. You guys come over here for yourself. You guys, we hardly ever do this on YouTube anymore, but you go over and look at the profits page of people using our indicators. It truly is like so ridiculous how much money people are making with all this stuff. This is for fun. I didn't mean to show you guys this, but whatever. $4,300 this guy made in a week. $950, $2,100 in 3 days, $500, $5,200, $4,300, $3,200, and it goes on, and then you guys can click here and you can look at more testimonials if you want. It is pretty insane once you guys have the right tools, the confidence you're going to feel. Now, maybe for the best part, let me show this to you guys in the description. You guys ready for $150 off? We have a link. I'll leave it somewhere in the description. It says like get indicators or something like that. Or go to tradeconfident.io and click the indicators tab. It's probably easier for some of you. The Pro Indicator Pack, which is going to give you guys all of these indicators with the breakout detector and the trend dashboard. You guys are going to be able to get 60% off of this. It's just a deal we've got going on because we bundled them all together. You guys can buy them individually down here if you're like, oh, I just want the trades in favor, or I just want the well money flow. That's fine. You guys can get that. We bundled it to give you 60% off. But if you guys are a member with us, which you guys only pay $59 a month, and you guys get access to all of our scalping trades where we call all these out. So if you guys are like, I want to get the indicators and I want to actually watch Travis do this, and so you guys can learn a lot faster, get a membership for $59 a month. That's up in the right-hand corner. I'm logged in, but this will say subscribe up here. Get that, and then watch our trade calls over here under the trade setups. And then you guys will actually, let me show this to you guys real quick. On top of the membership, you guys will actually watch me trade my $250,000 account up and over $1 million into the halving event. Like it's a lot of fun over here in the membership, but let me stay on task here. Once you guys get a membership, click this link right here that says access coupon code. You're going to get $150 off on top of the 60% off. And then, I know it sounds crazy, we're actually then going to give you guys $400 off on the top and bottom finder, which is the indicator that is calling these exact candles to the top. And that's this big guy right here that everybody really wants. So the best deal is to get the Pro Pack, use the coupon code, and then as you're checking out, we will give you guys a pop-up on our website on Gumroad, and we'll give you $400 off. It is cheaper to get this bundle pack by itself than to buy the top and bottom finder by itself. And you're going to get all the pro indicators, and you're going to get the top and bottom finder too. So does that make sense? All these indicators are cheaper than actually buying the top and bottom finder. But if you guys want this as a member, we're going to give you $300 off. Literally, we're going to give you guys like 5.5 months of free membership. if you guys just use the coupon code. So it's a no-brainer. Get a membership because we're just going to save you a ton of money. You guys can follow us as we trade our account up to $1 million. We're actually going to show you how we're calling all these trades out, and then you're going to get all the indicators for $150 off. So I know I feel like I'm doing a lot of sales here, but guys, we know this stuff works. It'd be one thing if I came on and I was just like this random dude that's just like shilling some indicators online, but like we have a public open record for everybody of how we're doing. And there's evidence of all this in our membership. And you guys look at the profits. Like, it's crazy what people are doing with this. So have a blast, guys. Enjoy this. Look at these setups. If you have any questions, here's another thing. Like, please email us. Like, we're a company that actually likes talking to you guys. If that's, I know it sounds a little strange, but like our email account is betradeconfident@gmail.com. betradeconfident@gmail.com. I'll show this to you guys down here. If you guys have any questions about anything, like email us. If you have a hard time checking out, email us. Like, we're here every single day through the week. If you have problems setting up your indicators, email us. If you have questions about a trade setup, email us. Like, guys, you're not just buying something and we're like, peace, get out of here, pay us money, and we don't want to see you again. Like, we literally try to call ourselves a family. Email us if you have any questions, and we will literally be there probably within an hour of you emailing us, because we have two guys that are awesome, Jake and Josh, that help with emails. So anyways, we're a family over here. We have a super high record, actually the highest on YouTube we can find anywhere for scalping. But we're actually legitimately here to help you guys become better traders, which I think probably sets us apart from maybe a lot of people out there. Anyways, all right, guys, God bless you. I wanted to give you guys a tutorial. That's how we're doing it. Snag the indicators in the description. Enjoy the membership, because tomorrow morning I'm coming out with a future forecast of how we're going to trade this account up and over $1 million, which I think a lot of you guys will enjoy seeing what I got to show you tomorrow. And we'll see you guys later. Enjoy the $150 coupon code, and we'll see you guys in the future forecast tomorrow. All right, God bless, guys. Bye.